Okay. Following is the profit and loss account of Mr. Subhash for the year ending 31st March 2012. You are supposed to compute gross total income. This is for 16 marks. Okay. So establishment expenses 4,800. It is P&L item. Okay. Rent, rates and taxes, P&L item. General charges, P&L item. Household expenses. Household expenses, this is personal. Okay. So 31,730 you have to add back. Commission, it is P&L item. Discount, P&L item. Provision for bad debts, disallowed. So 1,200 you will add back. Postage, telegram, P&L item. Loss charges, P&L item. Advertising, P&L item. Now in the credit side, gross profit, okay. Interest on government security, this is income from other sources. So you have to subtract. Rent from house property, this is income from house property, you will subtract. Profit on sale of shares, this is capital gains, so 5,000 you will subtract. Okay. So, okay, there are more expenses, fine. Local tax on house property, this is income from house property, so this is related to income from house property. So 360 you will add. Sales tax paid, it is paid, so it is allowed. Repairs and renewals, not for business premises. Okay, so 630 you will add because it is not for business. Loss on sale of motor car used for private purpose. So this is also not related to business. So 1,800 you will add. Life insurance premium, this is personal. So 1,790 you will add. Wealth tax is scrapped now. It will not come in the exam. Anyway, wealth tax is application of income like income tax. So 740 you have to add. Interest on capital, capital item 350 you will add. Audit fee, P&L item, so okay, it will be as it is. Interest on bank loan, if it is for business purpose then it is a P&L item. If it is not for business purpose then you will add. Okay. Provision for depreciation you will add. Provision for income tax you will add. Both are disallowed. Okay. Actual bad debts written off during the year is 550. Is there any bad debts in the bad debts is not there or what? Just a second. Household commission, provision for bad debts, we are adding. Bad debts is there? No, bad debts is not there. Provision for bad debts we have removed. So actual bad debts written off during the year 550. So 550 you can subtract. This is allowable expense which is allowed. Okay, so 550 is allowed, so 550 you will subtract. Amount of income tax actually paid during the year is 4,200, doesn't matter. Okay, so income tax is application of income, so no effect on the P&L item. So provision for income tax 3,900 we have removed. Anyway, so 4,200 you are not supposed to do anything about 4,200. Depreciation allowed is 1,700 as per income tax rule. So 1,700 is allowed. So 1,700 you will subtract. Advertising expenses includes 5,500 spent on special advertising campaign to open new shop in the market. So whatever. So this 5,500 is also relating to business only. Okay. So 5,500 you have shown already. So this 5,500 you are not supposed to do anything about it. This is allowed. 550 is allowed. Law charges are in connection of production of trademark. Okay, this is also related to business. So law charges, it is allowed. You are not supposed to do anything about it. Mr. Subhash carries on his business from rented premises, half of which is used as his residence. Okay. Rent, rates and taxes include 2,400 pays at rent of the premises during the year. Okay, so rent, rates and taxes 2,400. Out of 2,400, 1,200 is for own residence and 1,200 is for business. So 1,200 is for own residence. Then 1,200 is personal expense. So 1,200 you will add. Bank loan is taken for business purpose. Okay, bank loan is taken for business purpose. So interest on bank loan is also allowed. Okay, so let's compute. It's a simple problem. Okay, so income from business and profession, income from business, computation of income from business, 3 columns, particulars, amount. Okay, so net profit, as on P&L account, as per P&L account, as per P&L account, 86,440. Okay, so let's start. Establishment expenses allowed, rent, rates and taxes allowed, general charges allowed, household expenses, this is personal. Okay, so this will be disallowed. So household expenses you have to add back 51,730. So add expenses disallowed, expenses to be treated separately. Less income to be treated separately, exempted income, business expenses allowed, business expenses allowed which is not shown in the P&L account. Okay, so expenses to be treated separately. Okay, so yeah, household expenses 51,730. 51,730. Commission allowed, discount allowed, provision for bad debts disallowed. So provision for bad debts 1,200. Bad debts is allowed, provision for bad debts is disallowed. Okay, 1,200. Postage, telegram allowed, law charges allowed, advertising allowed, local tax on house property. This is on house property. We'll show it on income tax. We'll show it while computing income from house property. So this is municipal tax. Okay, it will not be it. You are not supposed to show it here. So remove it. So add local tax on house property. Okay, sales tax paid allowed, repairs and renewal, this is not for business, so repairs and renewal 630. Repairs and renewals. Okay, loss on sale of motor car, it is private, so 1,800. Loss on sale of private car which was not used for business, so it will not come here. Life insurance premium, this is also personal. So life insurance premium, 1790. Next one was wealth tax. Wealth tax, income tax, both are application of income. 740. Next, interest on capital. It's of capital nature, only revenue nature will come here. So interest on capital 350. Okay. Audit fees is allowed, interest on bank loan allowed. Provision for depreciation, provision for income tax, both are not allowed. Provision for depreciation, provision for income tax, provision for depreciation 2500, 3900. Okay. Interest on government security, rent from house property, profit on sale of shares, all you will add. Sorry, all you will subtract. Property and capital gain, no? 5400, 6000, 5000. This is capital gain. Short term. Okay. Actual bad debts written off during the year 550. So 550 you can write written off 550. So 550 you will subtract bad debts written off. Bad debts written off 550. Okay. Actual amount of tax paid 4200. This is income tax paid, application of income. It will not come in the P&L item. It's not a P&L item. I mean, it's not, it's application of income. Okay. So it's not a revenue expenditure. So depreciation allowed is 1700. Okay. So depreciation is 1700. So depreciation allowed 1700. So this is an expense, P&L item, so you will subtract. Advertisement expense includes 5500 spent on special advertising. So to open a new shop in the market, so it is business related only. Okay, and it is shown in the P&L account. So okay, so that is correct. Law charges are in connection with protection of trademark. This is also related to business. So law charges is shown in the P&L account, so that is also correct. Mr. Subhash carries on his business from his rented. So here 1200 is personal, correct? So 1200 you have to remove. So you have to add rent 1200. I'll write rent paid for residence. So out of 2400, 1200 is for residence and 1200 is for business. So 1200 is for business, so you're not supposed to do anything about it, but one which is for residence, that you have to remove from P&L account. So to remove it you have to add. Okay, bank loan is taken for business purpose. So fine. So this is my income from business. I'll just add all this. Five 1730 plus 1200 plus 360 plus 630 plus 1800 plus 1790 plus 740 plus 350 plus 2500 plus 3900 plus 1200. So 66,200. Okay, and the total of this 5,400 plus 6,000 plus 5,000 plus 550 plus 1,700. It is 18,650. 18,650 you will subtract, you will get income from business. So 86,440 plus 66,200 minus 18,650. It comes to 1,33,990. Okay, this is income from business. Now let's compute income from house property. Income from house property, 2 columns, particulars, amount. So rent received is GAV. Rent received is given 6,000. Okay, local tax paid is 360. So 6,000 minus 360 minus municipal tax. Assumed it is paid. Okay, so this is my GAV. So my NAV will be 6,000 minus 360. minus 360, 5640. Okay, less deduction, standard deduction at the rate 30%. So 5640 into 30%. It comes to 1692. 1692. You subtract it, you will get income from house property. Five six two zero. 5620, no, 5640. Okay, 5640 minus 1692. 5640 minus 1692. 3948. So income from house property is 3948. Okay, so, and capital gains is given as 5,000 and income from other sources 5,400. Okay, so computation of gross total income, 2 columns, particulars, amount, income from salaries, income from salaries nil, income from house property 3948, income from business and profession is 133990, and then capital gains is short term 5000, then income from other sources is interest on government security 5400. The total is income from gross total income. Okay, let's add. Three 948 plus 133990 plus 5000 plus 5400, it comes to 1,48,338. Okay, that's it for the day, students. Have a great day. Thank you very much.